In this video, we're going to create an element using the palette functionality. Verify that PSC is open and that the database is set to the OSI production facility. Display the tag search functionality within the palette. We can go to View, Palette, and then Tag Search. When you start building an element, it can be hard to find tags and fill out all the attribute fields. Thankfully, the tag search palette process is streamlined. We will create a new press element containing all relevant pi points. Navigate to the Elements view in the Navigator pane. Open up the Production Line 1 location. Right-click on Production Line 1 and select New Child Element. Choose None for the element template and click OK. Name the non-templated element Extruder. You can press F2 to rename quickly or right-click on the new element. Now in the Viewer pane, navigate to the Attributes tab. If you have not already opened the palette, in the menu bar, click on View and then select Palette, Tag Search. Note you can also use a shortcut key combination of Ctrl-Shift-8. In the Tag Search box, search for Extruder, *EX*, to find the appropriate pi tags associated with the extruder. The asterisk, remember, is either a single or a multi-character wildcard. As we are currently under Production Line 1, add the tags *PL1.EX1* for external temperature, flow rate, internal temperature, and pressure by clicking and dragging each tag in the viewer area. Notice how the description, pi type, and U of M match the pi tag definition. When selecting the tags from the palette, the tags can be moved individually or all together by selecting each with the Control key selected. Note the unit of measure of the pi tags must exist in the unit of measure database before dragging tags from the palette. We're going to close the palette window for now to allow more space to configure the attributes. Once added, we can change the individual attribute names. The names can be updated through the configuration screen or by selecting Name, or by double-clicking the individual name in the viewer screen. Once you have updated the tag names to the appropriate attribute names, check in your changes by selecting Check In or press Ctrl-S key combination to check in your changes. Note, we have not discussed the check-ins and the need to save changes to the database. Whenever you make a change to an object, including whenever you create a new object, Pi System Explorer checks that object out from the database. You need to save these changes in the database, although you can apply a change to a selected object by clicking the check mark in the toolbar and then check in your changes later.